My beloved, lovely Prophet Muhammad's father was Hazrat Abdullah and his mother was Hazrat Bibi Amna and Bibi Halima. Nice, my lovely Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. My beloved, loved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had four daughters. The eldest daughters Hazrat Zainab, Hazrat Ruqayya, Hazrat Kulsum, and the youngest daughters Hazrat Fatima. My beloved master Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, belonged to the great tribe of Arbi. My beloved master was born on Monday, 12th of Rabi Awal in Makkah. His grandfather Hazrat Abdul Muttalib named him Muhammad. उसने यूसुफ को देखकर जहां उंगलियां कट गई थी, उसने यूसुफ को देखकर जहां उंगलियां कट गई थी, खुद चांद कट गया मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की उंगली देखकर।
सुभान अल्लाह, माशाअल्लाह।
Before the birth of the beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, people worship idols and buried their daughters alive. My Lord, the world called people to one Allah, gave human a better position, called all people to the straight path because of the good conduct of my Muhammad, peace be upon him. The religion of Islam reached every home. The suffering that my Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has endured for the sake of Islam has no comparison with my beloved Muhammad, peace be upon him. People who were enemies of each other's life after the good conduct of my masters and entering the religion of Islam, they became lovers of each other and even gave each other their life. This religion of Islam did not reach us, just like that behind this hard work is the hard work of my masters and the hard work of my masters' companions and the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. To the people that the religion is only Islam. जिनके आने से रोशन हुए दो जहां, जिनके आने से रोशन हुए दो जहां, इनकी कदमों की बरकत पे लाखों सलाम। खत्मे नबूवत,
जिंदाबाद,
खत्मे नबूवत, खत्मे नबूवत।
माशाअल्लाह, माशाअल्लाह। ये थे